The Wagah Border Retreat Ceremony is a daily military practice that takes place at the Wagah border, which separates India and Pakistan. It has become a symbol of the complex relationship between the two neighboring countries and is a highly charged event, showcasing patriotism, military discipline, and national pride. Here is an overview of the ceremony and its significance. Location and background. The Wagah border is located on the Grand Trunk Road, approximately 28 kilometers from Amritsar, India, and 24 kilometers from Lahore, Pakistan. It serves as a key road border crossing between the two countries. The ceremony has been conducted since 1959 and is jointly coordinated by the Border Security Force, BSF, of India and the Pakistan Rangers. The Ceremony Retreat ceremony takes place every evening before sunset. It involves a display of military precision and pride from both countries. Here's how it unfolds. Arrival of spectators. Thousands of spectators gather on both sides of the border daily, with stadium-like seating set up for viewers to witness the event. Patriotic songs and slogans are chanted to build excitement. Parade and drills. Soldiers from both the BSF and the Pakistan Rangers march towards the border gate, with highly exaggerated and synchronized steps. The movements are sharp, aggressive, and fast-paced, symbolizing the strength of both nations. Flag lowering. The key part of the ceremony is the lowering of the national flags of both countries. This is done simultaneously, with soldiers maintaining strict coordination. The flags are carefully folded and carried back to their respective sides. Closing of gates. The border gates are dramatically slammed shut after the flag lowering ceremony. Salute and handshake. Before the gates close, soldiers from both sides salute each other and exchange brief handshakes, a symbolic gesture of respect despite the historical tensions. Retreat and conclusion. The ceremony concludes with the retreat of soldiers back to their respective positions as the crowd disperses. The entire event is charged with energy, nationalism, and sometimes competitive zeal between the two sides. Symbolism and importance. Patriotism. The ceremony is a representation of national pride and love for the country. The synchronized drills and coordinated movements highlight the discipline of the respective armed forces. Diplomacy. Despite the long-standing rivalry and political tensions between India and Pakistan, the handshake during the ceremony symbolizes a willingness for diplomatic engagement and peace. Even amid adversity. Tourist attraction. The ceremony is a major attraction for both Indian and Pakistani tourists. Thousands of people, including foreign tourists, flock to witness the grand display. Occasional adjustments. During periods of heightened tension between India and Pakistan, the ceremony may be toned down or even suspended temporarily. However, in most cases, it continues to serve as a show of defiance, pride, and discipline. On special occasions like national holidays, India's Independence Day on August 15 and Pakistan's on August 14, the ceremony is conducted with even greater fanfare, and the attendance is much higher. Controversies and criticisms. Some critics argue that the aggressive posturing during the ceremony can further inflame nationalistic sentiments and reinforce hostility between the two countries. They argue that a more toned-down ceremony might promote peace and reconciliation. Others, however, see it as a harmless expression of military pride and national unity, emphasizing the importance of strength and security. Overall, the Wagah Border Retreat Ceremony is a captivating event that highlights the unique and often tense relationship between India and Pakistan, blending both rivalry and mutual respect in a daily performance that captivates audiences on both sides of the border.